In this video, you'll learn how to remove your phone number from Bitget. By following these instructions, you will successfully unlink your phone number from your account, which can enhance your privacy and security. Begin by navigating to the Bitget website, open your preferred web browser, and enter the Bitget URL in the address bar. Once the site loads, you will see the main interface, which features various options for trading and account management. Next, locate and click on the profile icon. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen, typically represented by your account avatar or initials. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to your account settings. After that, select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will direct you to a new page dedicated to account settings, where you can adjust various preferences, including security options. Once you're on the settings page, look for the security option in the side navigation menu. Click on this to access settings related to account protection and verification methods. Now find the section labeled Phone Number Verification. This area will display your current linked phone number and options related to its management. Click on this section to proceed with the unbinding process. You will see a warning message stating that changing your bound phone number will disable payments and withdrawals for 24 hours. This is an important consideration as it may affect your trading activities. Take a moment to read this message before you continue. Next, click on the Unbind button. This action initiates the process of removing your phone number from your account. A security verification prompt will appear to ensure that you are authorized to make this change. At this point, you will need to input the code generated by your Google Authenticator. This step is crucial for maintaining the security of your account. If you do not have the app set up, you will need to do so before proceeding. Once you've entered the Google Authenticator code, click on the Confirm button. This action will finalize the removal of your phone number from your Bitget account. After a brief moment, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that the process has been completed successfully. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.